There are loads of different dogwoods, but today I just thought I'd show you some of those that are grown for their colourful stems. And then notably the albas, the sericas and the sanguineas. Now, throughout the year or throughout the summer, their stems are clothed with foliage, but that foliage turns absolutely dazzling shades in the autumn before it's shed. And when it's shed, it reveals these beautiful stems. And these are really valuable in winter gardens because there's not that much colour about. So even though they're not flowering, they really do provide a bold shot of colour. They're tough and undemanding plants. They're fully hardy throughout the UK, and they'll grow in virtually any soil, provided it's not too dry. They will also grow in full sun or partial shade and even quite heavy shade, although the stem colour won't be as good unless they get the sun to ripen that colour. One thing when growing these plants, however, that I would definitely recommend is to cut them back really hard after they've been in the ground for a year or two. And I've also done a video on how to prune dogwood, so you can see exactly how it's done. But by giving them this short back and sides, it encourages new stems to appear each year, and that's the ones that have the brightest bark. They make really good specimen plants, and they'll just give some colour and life to your borders throughout the winter. In larger gardens, plant them in drifts or big swathes. And my last piece of advice, if it's at all possible, is to plant them so you can look at them with the sun behind them, because with the low sun just coming from behind, it just looks like they're ablaze.